foam rolling the Pec Major and Pec Minor. Grab a foam rolling ball, a lacrosse ball, or a golf ball. You want to find your Pec Minor first. Your Pec Minor is going to be just below your clavicle. An easy way to find the Pec Minor is by putting that side arm behind your back and lifting the arm away from the back. That's going to pop your Pec Minor up into your hand. So I feel it elevating underneath my collarbone. This is where I would start foam rolling. You'll get the ball between yourself and a wall, and you want to roll along the length of the Pec Minor. It runs down and out at a roughly a 30-45 degree angle from your collarbone. So you can roll along, side to side, kind of like you're mowing a lawn. Across, down, across, down, across, down. The softer the implement that you're using, obviously, the more gentle it's going to be. So you can continue working across, down, across, down, across, down with progressively harder tools. If you want to get just the Pec Major, typically the Pec Major trigger points are going to run along the armpit portion of the Pec Major muscle. You won't need to run too much in towards the sternum. So you're going to get this segment of your Pec Major between yourself again and the wall, and you're going to roll. And you can use softer or harder implements depending on your level of discomfort. That is foam rolling the Pec Major and Pec Minor.